Hey everyone, welcome back to another perfume tray video. Today I'm going to be switching out my perfume tray. I have a collection of around 100 perfumes, a little bit under 100 actually, because I am trying to bring it down in size, but I have been buying new fragrances, so it's always somewhere around that number. This is my way of showing specific perfumes love, making sure that I'm using all of my perfumes. So it's kind of like a rotation and I have so much fun with it, and I'm so happy that I can bring you guys along. So October tray was a total fail for me. This change in weather and climate has been pretty different. So I'm just kind of getting used to what works and what doesn't. So we're gonna go ahead and we're going to empty out this tray and build a new tray for November, and hopefully we have some hits and some good layering combos and all of that for November. So if you are interested in the fragrances that I'm going to be wearing for the month of November, just keep on watching. Guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to empty out the tray. My lighting needs to be charged, so I'm just going to take everything out as quickly as I can so that we can get started on the new tray. So if you are new on my channel, welcome. My name is Amy and I do videos on fragrance, beauty, all things girly. I love to share pretty much anything lifestyle, beauty, self-care, but I do tend to focus a lot on fragrances. I do monthly trays. So if you would like to keep up with the trays, I do videos in between the monthly trays. I do 2 videos per month where I update you guys on the tray. I give you more in-depth reviews on the fragrances. So if you're interested in the ones that were on there before I emptied it out, check out the updates the month prior. So let's go ahead and let's begin with this month. This month I am going to have fall colors on the tray. So it's going to have some greens, some ambers, some browns. So we did do all black last month, but I do want to keep a little bit of fall vibes, even though my home is already completely stripped and I'm gonna decorate for Christmas this week. But at least my perfume tray, I'm going to keep the fall vibes because I need to do Thanksgiving. I can't skip Thanksgiving. So hopefully I can get a little bit more cozy vibes in November because October was just hot for me. So the first fragrance I'm going to add to the tray is going to be Ariana Grande's Wicked for Good fragrance. This is the Elphaba perfume. So I want to test this one out further. So I am going to put it on the tray so that I can continue to test it out and see if I want to keep this in my collection or if I want to declutter it. Next up, I'm going to be adding another fragrance that I just want to try out. I literally feel like I'm new to fragrance. I'm trying to find what works for me here, what notes I like. So many things, even candles in my home smell different. I guess I'm just trying to see what works for me here. So I'm going to add this Valentino fragrance, and this is Donna Born in Roma Green Stravaganza, I think it's the name. So yeah, I'm going to add this one. This one has beautiful tea notes and it's a little earthy, but it does have jasmine, and that's what throws me off with this one. So this is another one that I want to test out this month. Up next, I am going to be adding Ellis Brooklyn Queen's Caramel, which is going to be, of course, another fall fragrance because I want November to be cozy, but we are trying a little bit more airy, fluffy, sweet scents because my smoky scents are just not hitting for me. So I know that this one works for me, so I'm going to go ahead and add this one to the November tray. I'm also going to be adding BDK Velvet Tonka. This one's another one of those smoky warm scents, so I'm going to see if there are cooler days in November or evenings. I'm going to go ahead and test this fragrance out and see how I like it this time of the year, or if it even works out for me here. So we will see. I am also going to be adding this travel size from Noise, and this one is called Only Human. This is a new release and I want to continue to test it out because I had very good first impressions with this one. Up next, I want to add a very flirty feminine scent, one that I can reach for if I want to feel pretty and sexy and put together and very feminine. I want to have one that I know I can reach for, and for me that is Si Passione Eclat. This is just a very feminine, rose, fruity, shampoo-y type of perfume. Next up, I'm going to be adding, I think this is old packaging and it looks different now, but I have had this for a pretty long time. And I forgot to mention this one in a few videos, like even the one that I titled Fall in a Bottle. I feel like this could have easily been there, but this is Penrose and this is Secret Genius. I've had this for years, I think since I was in Puerto Rico. The longer this sits, the more yummy and intoxicating this smells. I also want to test this one out this year much better, and this is Paris Corner. This is Kissa Delicious. I do remember really liking this one, so I want to wear it again this year and see if it's a little bit thicker, if it smells a little stronger, since it has been sitting for a while now. I'm also going to be adding my Elizabeth and James Nirvana Bourbon, I believe is the name. This is a very dry, woody vanilla. I know some people might find this one maybe a little boring, but to me it's just very comforting, classy, sophisticated, and just perfect for fall time, like everyday fall time with sweaters or with outfits that are like for fall. It's perfect. Right, up next I have 3 perfumes that I'm very curious about, and I am hoping I can test them out during November. I'm hoping they work. So the first one's going to be Fleur Vanilla Skin, which I don't know, I fear this might be very dry and warm for here, but maybe on a pretty cool day it can work. We'll see. I'm just very picky, you guys. I know, I'm sure there's other people who aren't as picky as I am. I've just been very confused lately. Sorry if you hear snoring, my dogs are with me and Lola, just her naps are epic. So next up, I'm going to be adding, of course, Britney Spears Private Show. This is such a beautiful perfume and I love it for this time of the year. So I need to give her some use and not just let her sit there. Another celebrity scent that I want to continue to use, and I think this is the perfect time to wear her because it's not hot, but it's not cold. This is Jessica Simpson and this is Fancy. Oh, cannot wait to start wearing this one. I'm gonna go ahead and just throw this one in here, even though I can't really talk about it because it has been discontinued, but it's one of my all-time favorite perfumes. I just need to wear it because I haven't been wearing it and I don't want this little bit to turn nasty or anything. But this is Valentino and this one's called Donna Aqua, I think is the name. What a gorgeous perfume. This is like on my top 5 perfumes list, but it sold, you can find it like on eBay or Mercari, but they're going to charge you a ridiculous amount for it, but it is actually worth it in my opinion. It's just such a beautiful perfume. All right, I'm also going to be adding Philosophy Fresh Cream Warm Cashmere, a warm vanilla kind of woody scent. Next up, I'm gonna go ahead and add Jimmy Choo Illicit because I have such a little bit left, so maybe I can finish this up this month, even if it's at nighttime and I'm home and I just have to put the AC a little colder. But I do want to wear this because it's been smelling amazing. I did want to put Jennifer Lopez still back out because I didn't get to use her as much as I wanted to, so I'm gonna add this one as well. I'm going to also add Burberry Goddess, and last but not least, my Skylar Vanilla Sky. These two are perfect for the month of November. Okay, so that is the perfume tray for November. I'm gonna actually keep the same body mist that I had last month on the bottom shelf. Let me see if I can show you guys. I'm gonna keep those same ones because I do have like some gourmands over there. The almond one, it's pretty much the same ones because I do need to organize the rest of them. I'm getting rid of a lot of fragrance mist. I just placed a huge order on Victoria's Secret website and I got so mini body mist, so keep an eye out for a body mist video, a haul from Victoria's Secret. I have some from Victoria's Secret and I also have some pink ones. They had some gourmands. I figured maybe since body mist are lighter, maybe my gourmands this year can be better in body mist form instead of being like strong perfumes. So I'm testing that out and see how that works out for me. So I do have some new scents coming in, so we're going to be talking about new body mist and new perfumes, so I'm very excited to bring you along. Thank you so much for the love. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and keep an eye out for Bath and Body Works hauls. Actually guys, after this video it's going to be like a straight up haul week. I have an Ulta haul, I have my Sephora savings event haul, I have my Bath and Body Works haul, and I have a Victoria's Secret haul coming up. So it's going to be like haul marathon for you guys. We're going to be trying new products. I'm so inspired. I have been rearranging my beauty room. If you're done with the perfume tray, you can definitely click off of the video, and thank you so much. But if you want to hang around and just see real quick, I did add like this little tray back here. So now, oh my god, I forgot to mention one perfume. We have Matte Creme de Nude. I'm just gonna go ahead and add it. So yeah, that one's also gonna be on the perfume tray. So anyway, I added that little tray right there with like my lip liners, just random things there, because I do want to start filming more skincare content. So that part that you see right there, I'm gonna start doing my morning and my nighttime skincare routine here, so that I could already have everything to film ready, and literally all I have to do is sit down and film. Kind of like a natural routine, but I want to share more of my skincare with you guys because I'm so happy with the way that my skin has been lately. I feel like finally I've kept it under control. So I've been doing a lot of organizing. Next up, I'm going to be decluttering some body mist from that area, and that is where the new ones are gonna go. That's just what I've been working on lately. I'm also going to be wrapping up a vlog for you guys. So for those of you guys who love vlogs, I have one coming up soon of just some random clips. You guys know how my vlogs are, very all over the place. But I just want to thank you guys so much for spending time with me. And with that said, that's going to be it. I will see you guys in the next video.
Decarbonize aesthetic. Keep my conscience clear, that's why I'm so magnetic. Manifested, life and nasty. Take my pen and write some love letters to heaven.